You got one part of that wrong. This is not meth. I want to talk to Tuco, and I'm not leaving until I do.
What's your name?
Heisenberg.
Heisenberg. Okay. Have a seat, Heisenberg.
I don't imagine I'll be here very long.
No? All right. Be that way. It's your meeting. Why don't you start talking and tell me what you want?
$50,000.
Oh, man. 50 G's? How you figure that?
35 for the pound of meth you stole, and another 15 for my partner's pain and suffering.
Pardon? I remember that little bitch. So you must be daddy. Let me get this straight. I steal your dope. I beat the piss out of your mule boy. And then you walk in here and you bring me more meth? Woo, that's a brilliant plan, is it?
Brilliant. You got one part of that wrong. This is not meth.
Are you fucking nuts?
I want to find out.
No, Gonzo, calma. Calma. You got balls. I'll give you that. All right. I'll give you your money. That crystal that your partner brought me, it sold faster than $10 ass in TJ. Let's say you bring me another pound next week.
Money up front.
All right. Money up front. Sometimes you gotta rob to keep your riches. It's as long as we got an understanding.
1 pound is not going to cut it. You have to take 2.
Orderly. Hey, what is that shit?
Fulminated mercury. A little tweak of chemistry.